Handling flight delays can be one of the most frustrating aspects of travel, but with the right tools, you can make the whole experience far less stressful. If you are wondering how to handle flight delays using Navan, you're in the right place. Navan is a powerful platform that simplifies travel management, especially when things go wrong. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use it to turn a delayed flight into a minor inconvenience, not a major disaster. First things first, Navan helps you stay on top of your flight status in real time. This means that when there's a delay, you're immediately notified. You don't have to waste time checking different apps or websites. Everything is streamlined into one platform. And because Navan integrates with your travel profile, it can offer you alternatives like rebooking or upgrading your seat automatically. So, if your flight gets delayed, Navan helps you find another option without you having to lift a finger. Let's dive into some key features that make Navan a game changer. When you're facing a flight delay, the last thing you want is to spend hours on the phone with your airline. Navan solves this problem by automating many aspects of your travel support. If your flight is delayed, the platform will instantly suggest available flights or even adjust your schedule accordingly. You'll have the choice of rebooking through Navan's intuitive interface, and it even does the heavy lifting by connecting you with available flights, hotel bookings, and car rentals. Now, let's talk about your time management when dealing with delays. One of the best things about Navan is its ability to sync all your travel information into one central location. If you're stuck at the airport or waiting for a delayed flight, you can quickly check your next steps, all from the Navan app. It makes managing your time easier, helping you find nearby amenities or even check in for your new flight without hassle. Here's a little secret that many don't know. Navan actually tracks all your travel expenses too. This means that if your flight delay forces you into a longer stay or additional costs, you can quickly log them within the platform. This way, you have a clear view of your finances and can even request compensation from your airline more efficiently. It's about making travel, especially during disruptions like delays, as smooth and predictable as possible. And for those of you worried about dealing with corporate travel management or team coordination, Navan takes that burden off your shoulders as well. If you're handling travel for a group or your business, you can quickly reassign bookings, approve new itineraries, and ensure that everyone gets where they need to go, despite any setbacks. It's an incredible tool for managing travel logistics under pressure. Remember, the best part is you can start using Navan completely free. Simply head to the first link in the description below to access an exclusive free trial, plus some added bonuses. So, what are you waiting for? With this extended free trial, you'll be able to test all of Navan's features for yourself without any risk. You'll see just how easy it is to handle flight delays and keep your travel stress-free. Don't let a delay ruin your trip. Use Navan to stay ahead of the game every time.